Hi everyone, my name is Mike Asbach and I'm a Psych PA. I serve as the Associate Director of Interventional Psychiatry at Dent Neurologic Institute, and I'm also the co-host of the White Coats of the Roundtable podcast. I'm here today to talk to you about pharmaceutical speaking, which I've found over the past 5 years to be a wonderful side hustle. I began speaking for a pharmaceutical company in 2015. Initially, speaking wasn't really something that was on my radar. I had known speakers, but they were always physicians and they were much older and much more experienced. A drug rep in 2015 approached me and asked me to be a speaker, and in my first year, I only did a few programs. Within those few programs, I did realize that if you take it seriously and you're a good public speaker, there was a lot of opportunity, especially for PAs and NPs, as drug companies want to talk to peers and not just have esteemed academics. Over the years, I was able to network while also focusing on improving as a public speaker, and this led to more opportunities to speak for other companies. Currently, about 40% of my income comes from speaking, and in an average year, I'll do anywhere from 60 to 100 programs. Some important things I've learned along the way of how to be a good speaker is, one, don't be intimidated. If you are not a physician, if you are a PA, an NP, a pharmacist, even a nurse, there are opportunities for you to be a speaker or a pharmaceutical consultant. One of the big things that you can do is network. Identify reps, make sure to build those relationships, and ensure that they understand that you may be willing to consult if a need ever arose. Two, public speaking is really important. There are a lot of people that may be smarter than you, but if you can talk well, if you can present well, that really goes a long way, because the pharmaceutical companies are looking for someone who can not only be a subject matter expert, but can also present the material in an easy, learnable, digestible way. Lastly, I think you do need to know your stuff. You need to be very knowledgeable on the product that you're speaking on, because when you go and give a talk, the drug company is hoping and expecting that you will be a subject matter expert and you will be able to teach everyone in the room new opportunities or new things to learn regarding their product. If speaking is something that has always interested you, but you're not sure how to get in, first off, update your LinkedIn, update your CV, make sure that your CV has opportunities to demonstrate that you are a key opinion leader. Generally, pharmaceutical companies are looking for clinicians who are considered leaders in their field. This may be academic appointments at local colleges or universities. It may be publications that you've had on a certain disease state or clinical practice. If you don't think that you would be considered a subject matter expert or a key opinion leader, identify ways that you can easily add to your CV or resume to demonstrate that role. One of the easiest things that you can do is precept students. This demonstrates that you are a teacher, that you are a leader in your field. This also may come with academic appointment at your local college. Another thing that you can consider is publication. There are many publications that will offer opportunities to do editorials or retrospective studies or systematic reviews. You do not have to be a researcher. You do not have to be a data expert to get published. Lastly, network. Talk to reps. Identify products that may have big marketing budgets. Some products are going to be at the end of their life cycle. They're not going to have as much marketing money available to them. Identify products that are being marketed heavily, but also identify products that you believe in. If you have a product that you really think works well and you use it and believe it clinically, that may be a good product for you to identify as one to potentially speak for. I hope this little clinical vignette was helpful. If anyone has further questions regarding opportunities to become a pharmaceutical speaker, check out White Coats of the Roundtable in our most recent episode where John and I discussed this in much more detail.